It's Lee from ColouringQueen.net with the latest book by Millie Marotta. It's called Beautiful Birds and Treetop Treasures. Plain title page here to start it off with. Copyright information on reverse. And the title page has been repeated and there's a nice little introduction to follow. Good idea to test out your mediums on any of those pages. It's printed on double-sided paper. Paper is white and it's a medium quality, similar to what's been used in all of her other books. So we've got lots of birds and lots of really fine patterns here. A lot of detail. A nice black crisp line, but it is a fine line, so the fine line might not suit colorists with a minor visual impairment, especially as Millie puts so much detail onto each page. But if you don't want to do all those itty bitty bits, I would just do a colour wash over it. It would still look lovely. So we've got our birdie in a nest and a tree snake, I guess, seeing it's treetop creatures. These sorts of books are good if you just want a focal point on an animal or something like that, rather than a lot of background imagery. There's so many pages in this book, you'll be colouring for a year until she brings out the next one. And thankfully at the back we have a glossary of all of the birdies included. So if you wanted to look it up and make sure that the animal that you're colouring is realistic, then you can refer to that glossary at the back. And there's space here for you to draw your own, and a nice little blotting page there at the end. Lovely glossy colour cover with all these lovely little patterns on it that you could colour, as long as your medium penetrates this laminate type cover. So there it is, some gorgeous little gold highlights on the cover, same style and size and layout as her previous colouring books. The links to buy it, as always, are below the video. Until next time, happy colouring.